Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and this jewelry organizer isn't just for jewelry. I love it for scarves. I hang my belts on it. I have small purses that I put on it. And of course, it's great for jewelry as well. It has 27 hooks and it has 2 layers. So you can easily hang things above and below. It was so easy to install. It came with the hardware to install it, and it's so sturdy. I love how much I can put on it, and it keeps me organized. It keeps my accessories neat and easy for me to see so that I wear it more often because I can see it and it's easily accessible. I don't have a large closet, so I opted to put this right in my bedroom. I am so pleased with the simple function of this jewelry organizer that I use for more than just jewelry. It's helped me to be organized, and that's my point of view.